Imagine spending years perfecting your sound only to be replaced by an artist that doesn't even exist. That's exactly what's happening right now on Spotify. And yeah, it don't sit right with me at all. I felt like it's something that we need to talk about. I've seen videos talking about boycott Spotify. I never really got into all of that. I understand that they're mocking us by paying out small amounts of money for streams, making it hard for up and coming artists to actually make some money off the music that they create, the music that they pour their heart and their souls into. But this feels weird. I don't know if you've heard it, I don't know if you've seen it, but there's a band called Velvet Sundown, the Velvet Sundown, and yeah, it's just a band that doesn't exist. The music sounds half decent. It's like I think it's supposed to be 60s or 70s type of sound.
Tell me, brother, where do we go?
It sounds good. I like it. I like some of the songs, but it doesn't sit right with me because I feel like it's taken away from the art, the expression of real musicians that create this music, because it's generated from real musicians. That's where they learn it from. So I was just thinking that it doesn't seem or feel fair to do this. It just doesn't feel right. So whoever's behind it, Spotify, whoever they are, that's creating this AI band, is being crafty because they know full well they don't have to pay it no royalties. So they're saving big money on not paying royalties, not paying artists, not paying engineers, not paying musicians. They own and control all the rights, or PFC as they like to call it. Perfect fit content. Crazy. The other thing as well is that this band is being pushed into playlists, top playlists, taking away the space for a real artist who's been striving for years or just trying to get their fan base up and doing something they love. Like, how is that fair? How's that right? Why is no one saying nothing about this? How are you just allowed to get away with it? It seems crazy. It's nuts, and I don't like it. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people saying boycott Spotify, and I'm just wondering, like, what's the other option? If we boycott Spotify, where do we go? How do we get our music out? I've seen someone say put it on Bandcamp and other places, but I'd like to know, like, if you know where. If I was to say, like, I'm not putting my music on Spotify no more, but like, where would be the best place? Serious question. So yeah, I push AI on my channel. I'm talking about AI plugins and stuff like that. I do like AI and what it does, and it's something that we're not going to get away from. Like, I like AI to generate an email or proofread my ebook or provide some ideas for captions, or yeah, just that type of use. But taking food off of people's plates, musicians' plates, feels a bit weird. And I know there's other industries that are suffering from the AI and that. And yeah, man, we just feel like we're just going down a crazy black hole. So this Velvet Sundown, 550k monthly listeners, 2 albums, no interviews, no shows, or even real photos. The photos are AI generated. So as someone who lives and breathes this craft, it's frustrating. It's frustrating to see that AI is making artists lose out on placements, and also, like, listeners probably don't even know that they're supporting an AI band. Probably don't really care. I don't know how this is going to go, how it's going to end, if it's going to end, but I feel like there should be some type of law or rule that states that music of this kind can't be on Spotify. You can use it to create, but you can't have 100% AI driven music. The upside of this though is, even if they do get a whole heap of support, people who support musicians and artists and whatnot, they like to pay money for merch. They like to hear their stories. They like to go to shows and watch them perform. You're not going to be able to do that with Velvet Sundown, the Velvet Sundown. So they might struggle in that sense. They might get their little royalty streams and whatnot, but you're not going to be able to replace that with feeling, emotion and stories. So yeah, there's that. So what we can do is just push for Spotify to label their music. If it's AI generated, if it's AI music that we're listening to, label it, let us know, let the listener know that this is what they're listening to, because it almost feels like you're being duped, hoodwinked. Follow and support more artists, real ones, and just be aware of playlist trends and bands who just appear out of nowhere and got a crazy amount of listeners in a short space of time. Most of the time would be bots listening to their music, no backstory, AI generated thumbnails and covers. Yeah, just keep an eye out. So that's me and my rant. I'm done. I think I've covered everything that I want to, but yeah, just drop a comment, let me know what you think of this. You might be okay with it. You might not have an opinion, but yeah, this is my opinion. I thought I'd share it with you. And if you liked the video at all, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.